welcome back to Hello Moms of India. I am Padmaja. In this video, I will take you through some daily practice worksheets on shapes, and this worksheet you should keep for your child. It will help to understand the shapes in a better way. So yes, please watch the video till the end, and if you are new to the channel and not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update of the channel. So Adya is going to perform this activity. Adya, say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Yes. So I have prepared the activity. So this is the first activity I have taken. In this I have taken in the first column I have kept some shapes, and in the second column also in a different order, and you have to find the match. Let's do a match. Chalo, do you find out the match of the shapes?
Diamond.
Yes. Tell the shape name and do a match. This is?
Diamond.
Very good. So in this activity your child will look at the different column and will try to find out the match, which is very good for a very good activity for your child. This is?
Oh.
Very good.
Pentagon.
Yes, pentagon. Very good. So yes, as you can see, the child will try to find out the match in different column. And this activity is like this. Now we'll move to the next activity. In this activity, I have taken the shapes in the first column and the shadow of the shape in the different column, in the next column. And the child will try to find out the match by seeing the shadow. Okay, let's do this activity, okay? So these are the shadow of the shape. You have to find the match.
Oh.
Yes. You can give some some visual prompt like saying, okay, this is the shadow of the diamond, and you can show the match. And after the first one, the child will understand, okay, this is what the activity is. Then the child will try to do this activity by her own. In this way, your child's visual understanding also increases, and the child's understanding on shapes also gets better.
It's a sound.
Very good.
It's a sound.
That is bike sound. So this is what the activity looks like. The child will try to find the match of the shadow.
Truck sound.
Okay, truck sound.
See one on the truck.
Yeah.
Truck is here.
Okay, this is the next activity, the third activity. In this, I have taken the half of the shape in one column and other half of the shape in the different column. And as a hint, I have taken the shape, the picture here, that is, let's say diamond. The child will see, okay, this is a diamond, and will try to find out the other half of the diamond. Similarly, as you can see, I have put star, triangle and all. So this will give a visual hint to your child. So in this, I have kept the half of the diamond. Can you find out the right match of the diamond? Can you find out the half of the diamond, other half of the diamond? Very good. Next.
Star.
Yes, star. This is also a very good activity to have to increase the visual understanding of your child, and also it increases the understanding on shapes. What is this?
Triangle.
Very good.
Tango.
Yeah. Join it. Very good. Next, what is this?
Half circle.
Yeah, half circle will become a full circle. Very good. So this is what the activity, the child will try to find the match of the other half. And you can give visual prompts whenever required, but if not needed, don't interrupt in the activity a lot. So this is the next activity. In this activity, I have taken some shapes, and in between the triangle, I have added a diamond, and in between rectangle, I have added a square, and I will ask her to find out the square or diamond. So yes, you have to find out a square in. You have to find out a diamond in this row. Where is the diamond? Yes, very good. Circle. Yeah, do a circle. Where is the square in this row? Very good. Very good. Where is oval in this row? Very good. Where is moon in this row? Very good. Where is star in this row? Very good. So as you can see, she has found out the right shapes whatever I have asked. And yeah, I have asked her to do a circle. If your child is not able to do a circle, you can ask to point out. That will be also completely fine. This is the next activity. This activity has the understanding on shapes as well as the count. So I have kept some squares and I will ask her to count. So she will count and she will find the right number. So I will just write out the number in this. If your child knows writing number, then you can just tell her to write the numbers. But because she doesn't know to write the number, I will ask her to do a circle on the numbers. Yes. This is your next activity. Now count the square and do the circle.
How many squares
How
is there?
many square is there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And circle on 5. Do on this black. Very good. How many hearts are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. Circle 6. Very good. Next, how many up arrow?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. Circle 8.
This is
This is 7. I will write it. Okay. Now circle 8. Very good. How many oval is there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes. Circle 7. Very good. How many triangle is there?
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Circle 3. How many rectangle is there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Circle. Very good. So yes, through this activity you work both on the shapes and the counting, and you can make this activity interesting by adding the colors. So that will give, sit properly now. We are performing the activity.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Okay, this is another activity. Here I have taken the big shape and the small one, and I have added different shapes and there the smaller shapes. So I will give her the shapes and she has to find the right match by seeing their sizes. So this is again another activity which gives the understanding on the size as well as the shape. Okay, so I have some shapes with me. You have to find the right match. What is the right match of this? What is it?
Triangle.
Very good. What is the right match? Can you put it? Very good. This is
Where?
square.
Oval. Big.
Yes, it's a big oval. So as you can see, she is comparing the size of the shapes and then she is putting out the shapes. So this really helps your understanding the size and the shapes. This is a small or big?
More.
Small, okay. What is this?
Oval.
Okay, small or big?
No, more.
Small, okay. What is it?
Triangle.
It's a big or small?
Big.
Big triangle, very good. This is
Where?
big or small?
Big.
Big. This is in this activity I have asked her to put the shapes. So this is how it looks like. And by adding different color, you make it more interesting. And this really helps to understand your child based on the size and shape. Okay, your next activity. This is the last activity. This will really add the fun in your activity. In this, I will ask her to do a color. So this will really help for your child to understand the shape. So you have to tell, okay, color the star or color the triangle, and your child will find out that shape and will try to color. And while coloring, their fine motor skills also increases, and yeah, it also makes it interesting. So the child will love to do it. Okay, we'll do next activity. Can you color the stars? No, you color whatever color you need, not in black. It's not required for now. Which color star is, you color in that.
Is it yellow?
Yes, find out yellow and do a color. Find out. Shall we do it? In this, the child will understand, okay, the star, she will try to put it in yellow color, or tree will be in green color, like that. So it gives understanding on colors as well. So as I mentioned during the activity, don't interrupt your child much. Just observe whether your child is able to do it or not. If your child is not able to do it, then just start giving the prompts, and yeah, if required, more prompts, but don't interrupt if your child is performing. And all this activity you can add in a colorful way, like some of the shapes I have just drawn in a black color, you can do a different color, and which will really attract your child to keep her child engaged.
Very good.
Very good. Next.
Is it green?
Yeah, tree color is green.
One more here.
Yes. So in this activity also you can ask your child to count the stars and color it. So in this is also a very good activity. The child will count and color. It will be a very funful activity with the shapes. So yes, parent, these are some of the activity I wanted to share with you. Please keep this activity for your child's shape understanding. This definitely will increase the understanding on shapes for your child. So yes, if you find this video useful, do like, share with other parent, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.